Hello chap here, welcome to the workshop for a little pointer. Now I've been spending the last 2 days making a nice video for you guys about how to reload for the 11mm Gras. Now this includes the history of the cartridge, where to get components, and a bit of history, the tools used back in the day, and so on and so forth. But unfortunately, if I so much as start moving this lever, I think the algorithm is going to go, you're inciting people to reload ammunition and all sorts of other naughty things, and we'll be kicked off again. So I want to avoid any such trouble. So the video is going to be available for those of you who are subscribed or are thinking about subscribing to weaponsandwar.tv. There is going to be available straight away. And of course, for those who don't wish to subscribe, it will also be on player.com. Just look in our channel and it'll be there. And of course, it'll be available to our patrons. So yes, if you want to find out more about such things, head over to one of these options and there you will be able to see the whole thing, and hopefully you will find it vaguely interesting. See you there.